Most creators chase viral content and trending content thinking that it is going to give them long-term results, as in terms of payments. Why? Because they are majorly focused on views. And indeed, viral content gives views. I have proof on it and also always use it. But you guys, it isn't the truth. This one is not part of passive income. Never at all. What we call viral content is completely something like popcorn. In today's video, but before that, do you look at this comment? This comment is from one of our top engager on all our social media platforms. She talked about, what if viral content is your own created content? Like the way you make the video, because of course viral content comes from someone has created it. You get it? There are people we know that whenever they make something, it goes viral. But let's now, based on her comment or on her query, then we bring up a topic, of which a topic I've already gotten it. The topic is what influences your earnings, and what is, or you can say, what exactly is viral content? Let's talk one-on-one. Let's talk about what is exactly viral content. Why? Because the moment you come to know what viral content is, you're also going to know the high paid content is. You will know where you lie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, the lady that says I should not hold the smartphone and beg for bread. You guys, allow me make this disclaimer, and I want you to underline it. This video is for educational purposes. You come, you listen, you get these tips, the 5 to 10% of our education things. Go and research. The moment you get something, please come back here, give us a testimony. Also, if you feel you can't use it, discard it. But at least our tips have been proved, because we are part of the people that have gained from this. We are giving you the tips that we have been using for good 5 years. We have not started yesterday. And cheerfully, carefully, and peacefully, we are okay. So take this video as an educational video. Now, as we dive into what we call exactly viral content, allow me first shout out all our special engagers, the top ones on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, everywhere across our social media platforms. We love you so much. God bless you. You are the reason that we come by there every day, and also you are the reason that we get topics like these ones. So exactly as we dive in, don't forget I told you this video is going to be very short and precise. What is viral content? Viral content, in my introduction, I told you it's like popcorn. Viral content is that content that explodes quickly, in a minute, everywhere. Every person wants to know about it. Every person wants to post it. But, and at the same time, it disappears. If you've been following me on Facebook, there was viral and trending content about Okello from Uganda, which it even became worldwide, not only in Uganda. Chris Okello, that was viral content. But right now, no one is posting about Okello. In Uganda, still I'm giving a case study. Also, the beginning of May, there was a viral content concerning the Honorable Anita, or Triple A Anita Amongin. That was the former speaker of Ugandan Parliament. Now every day, should I count everything? If we go to Nigeria, there was one time when there was a lot of viral content about Blessing CEO. I used to love her so much, but you remember, she always makes some viral content. There is recently viral content about Yure Edochie and the wives and ex-mama. These are viral content. So what did I write for you here in a blog? I said viral content explodes quickly because It talks about trends. It talks about breaking news. Breaking news, like in Uganda, there's someone who has been given, Honorable Rollins was given a ministerial post, but he found out to be having is a citizen of multiple countries. That was breaking news. So this is breaking news, celebrity drama. Then you go to challenges, you go to memes, and even shocking events. What are shocking events? There's a shocking event that happened in my country one time, whereby a couple organized a wedding ceremony, and the time they were coming, and this was real, shocking. People are coming, the guests are coming. The event people could not accept any. They broke the entrance of reception because the guy had not paid even half of what he was supposed to pay, including the cake, so this is something that is what we call shocking. We have examples include celebrity trendings on TikTok challenges, then football transfer rumors, political controversies. You've been here in Uganda, in Nigeria, in Kenya. Then breaking news stories. News stories are very many stories. Like right now, Pella has engaged so and so. That is news stories. These videos can bring thousands of views, and trust me, if you follow my Facebook, because these ones I always put them on Facebook, you will see videos that have high viewership is the trending and viral. But do you think there is money on those videos? They are just peanuts like this, because the earning rate is very low. The RPM cost per mile is low, so it makes the RPM go low. Trust me, you'll get thousands, views will be too many, and this is what people want to look at. But once the trend dies, Carlos, you'll be packed there. So the views will stop, the money will not come. But here comes a question of what our fan asked. Even if it is your own content, you know, people used to stage some scenes, some funny things, some fights, because they want to trend. You will trend, but it will die off. You will trend, but you will not get money. So it can never be called passive income. Passive income is the video, like I did a video 2 years back, 3 years back. Like last month, the highest amount of money that I got on YouTube was from old videos. That means my videos are optimized. So don't look at the views you're getting right now. And this is where you're going wrong. And this is, you guys are really, let me give you a pro tip to people who are just starting your YouTube, your Facebook, your podcast. Don't go to check how many views do I have. Views lie. But there are other factors. Hopefully you'll understand this more better. So passive income comes from greener content. If you go to our previous videos, even after this, before this video, you'll find all the different types of niches that can give you high CPM, and they are mostly less competitive niches. So content people search for month, those are evergreen content. Year and after year, that is evergreen content. I gave you already examples of this content, but can I repeat for you? Like for example, how to do this, how to start affiliate marketing, how to make money with your smartphone, how to dress well, how to make food with the less budget, best online side hustle. These are the ones I'm talking about. So wherever you're doing, you guys, I don't want you to hustle. As a young and smart creators, you can combine both. You combine viral content, trending content with passive evergreen content. What does viral content do? Viral content brings new people. It attracts attention to your pages, to your channels, to your house. Then after attracting that attention, you're building, and people will start doing what they are supposed to do. It's when they say, hey, people can make money online, then they start seeing. something like that. So combine both. Hopefully, thank you very much at Jackie Narongo for this comment. I love you so much. You have given me